Thinking of working as a contractor in Virginia? Here's the full picture. At the state level, any contractor, general or specialty, performing projects over $1,000 must hold a license issued by the Virginia Department of Professional and Occupational Regulation. That includes general contracting, electrical, plumbing, and HVAC trades. Here's how it works. Choose your license classification. Class C up to $10,000, Class B up to $120,000 per project, $750,000 annually, or Class A, no monetary limit. Designate your trade specialties for each license type. Next, complete an approved 8-hour pre-license education course. After that, you'll take the Virginia Business and Law exam. For Class B, you'll take the Virginia section and the general portion. Class A adds the advanced section too. You must show 2 to 5 years of experience, depending on license class, prove financial stability or carry a surety bond, $15,000 to $45,000, and designate a qualified individual to oversee technical work. Virginia also has local registration rules in many jurisdictions. Fairfax County requires building contractors to register with the Board of County Supervisors. Norfolk mandates a local contractor license with city-specific insurance and permit requirements. Richmond and Virginia Beach require trade contractors, like plumbing or electrical, to be licensed locally as well. Some trades require continuing education. For example, electricians must complete NEC updates before license renewal. Whether you plan to work statewide or in local jurisdictions, the rules vary, but we make it simple. Visit athomeprep.com for comprehensive licensing prep, continuing education, and local registration guidance to make sure you stay compliant in Virginia.